Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Monday the 11th of December. Let's have a look at cable, which has dropped back a bit, hasn't it? You saw on Friday the market it's not like it took a dim view of the deal, it just didn't seem as though it was convinced really, and that sort of air of lack of faith has sort of continued today. A little bit of underperformance on sterling, sort of about 10 pips down on the day. Nothing too decisive yet, and looking on a technical basis, you'd say this breakout 33.35, this sort of, what was it, 6 weeks of range that we were in, October to November, that is sort of the breakout of that range is now supportive, and it has been for the last few days, and it's interesting that that continues to be the case. Sort of these dips back towards that support continue to be bought into. Now you've got this uptrend support here over the past few weeks, and that's being tested again today, but I reiterate is holding. And also you've got the sort of longer term support of this trend, this uptrend, coming in as well a bit further back, around about 210 is it today? Yeah, about 32.10 area. So you do have still a positive outlook really on cable. Now the concern would be these MACD lines, I think, beginning to sort of roll over and cross down. So if you got a broken uptrend here, then you'd probably see a drift back. That would also start to really put pressure on 33.35, and a closing breakdown of that again would sort of imply that a move back towards this long-term uptrend. So we've got some sort of possibility of a corrective move that could happen, but nothing yet confirmed. And at the moment we've got this trend line that is supportive. So whilst that remains the case, you can still be fairly positive about this chart, but just a little bit of a sort of a developing concern. But you can see here on the hourly chart we've just rebounded a bit. Rebounded actually, was that a day low 33.45, so you've already rallied about 30 pips, and it's actually only about 10 pips down on the day. So it's not decisively lower, there's just a few question marks rather than a decisive sort of move by the market. And I think it would still need a decisive move against sterling, or against the outlook for this this trade negotiation or the Brexit negotiations, to really sort of turn the market against sterling. So all the whilst it's just a little nagging doubt rather than anything more significant than that. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.